so now, just on a walk, looking around, and then as we come across on the trail, we see this. See where they built that fire block? Oh look, you can see Phoscheck over there. Things, plants hide terrain, but in this situation you can actually see what the terrain looks like. You have this plain area here, and then when it rains, it comes down this way. Which brings up another big situation. What's going to catch the rain coming off this mountain? And we're in Upper Yucaipa, right? But Lower Yucaipa, all this stuff is going to go down that way. And what normally happens is the plants slow it down so it can percolate into the ground. That's where we get our groundwater. But because of this now, because of this fire, that's not going to happen. It's going to wash everything down there. Okay, science is the bomb. Look at all these things have died here. All these things, all these nutrients, all this right here is being given back to the ground. Okay, so this is the devastation, and here, brought in by the wind, the same wind that got in the way of the fire, is a colonizer. These plants, well, this one is particular, this plant itself landed here, and it probably would have made it with all the grass that was here. But since there's no grass, this little dude is going to be able to probably grow, especially with all this fertilizer around it. Pretty crazy, huh? All right, now look, I don't know these plants very well. But these plants right here, if they have deep roots, they're going to come back. But you can see where the whole area has been scorched. Here's a good example of what we're talking about. In this situation, the top was burnt, but anything below the top was protected by the dirt, and that's where seeds are going to grow. And if there was an animal, like in this hole right here, then that's another chance for something to begin colonization over again. No, if I can catch it. There's a lizard running around out there. Another survivor. Oh, Becky, it looks like heat vibrations. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Another colonizer, baby. This is spiderweb. Yeah, but it's cool though. The cool part is that, look, here's a spiderweb right here. And it's just a funnel spider, a grass funnel spider. Oh, here's an ant. See the ant there? Ant's out looking for something to eat. Bike trails. This is the same kind of thing we saw last week. So there's a snake trail, and that snake trail could be the survival of our little rattler. It was about 3 feet. Survival of our rattler that was just right here. Wow, isn't that cool? we're up here looking around the area, and you can see where the firefighters did such a great job. Without those firefighters, so much would have been lost up here. So again, it says thank you, firefighters. And I think about my cousin, my nephew Joey out there. You can see the scars all the way down the mountain. And you can see where the firefighters saved these houses. Pretty crazy, pretty awesome, huh? Thank you, heroes. All right, and so, yes we do. We think you guys are the bomb.